is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing great today. So for today's video, I wanted to try out doing tie-dye nails. So I am going to use blooming gel, which I just showed you before, and I want to use all these gel liners. Well, I use all of them besides the gold one that I have out here, but I'm going to use those to create a different color V French tip on every nail. So as you can see here, my nails are all white, and the reason why I decided to go with white is because white does make colors more vibrant. So if you're painting any kind of design with a lot of colors, it is a good idea to use white underneath, because you know it'll make yellow pop more, and you know, just colors that are normally a little hard to stand out. So I'm just continuing with all the colors I chose and painting on my Frenches to each tip. And I decided to go with some colors that, you know, are more suitable for the springtime. So I'm going to do that to all the nails. And then once that is complete, I'm going to cure them for a full 60 seconds and then give them a top coat and then cure it again for another full 60 seconds. So here are the Frenches all complete. I think this alone would make a really cute set, but you know, we're not doing that today. So I'm gonna continue on, and I take that blooming gel and I put it on just the white part of the nails, because I do not want to cover up all of the French tip, because then what was the point of doing that? So yeah, I'm just putting blooming gel on just the white areas. So for the tie-dye, I'm using each of the colors that I painted on these nail tips. And when I do it, I am leaving a little gap in between the colors and the cuticle as well, because this is gonna bloom out. So I don't want one color to cover too much of another color. And I did want to try to keep a little bit of white showing in between. I just let that nail sit for a minute and do its blooming thing. And now I'm taking a skinny detailing brush and I'm just going from the top color, dragging straight down to the bottom color to create that tie-dye look. So I am wiping off in between, so you know, I don't mix the colors and make it muddy looking. So just continue with your lines until you're happy with the look that you get. You know, tie-dye isn't perfect to begin with, so that's pretty cool, because then you can't really mess up too bad. So this is how that first nail turned out, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks pretty cute. So I'm going to give that a cure, and then I am going to move on to my next nail. So again, add your blooming gel just to the white, and then add all your colors. Now, I didn't want any of the same color gel to end up on the tip, so I just made sure that whatever color the tip was, I started with that color up top so they would never touch. So then again, with your detailing brush, just make your lines going through it from top to bottom until you are happy with the end result. I did also want to keep some of the white showing at the bottom, so you can see that V French as much as possible. I'll just be showing these two nails, and then I'm going to go ahead off camera and finish the rest. This is the tie-dye all complete. So off camera, I tested out this pink glitter because it wasn't the exact match, so I just wanted to see how it would look. But all my other glitters are pretty much the exact match for all of the colors I have going on these nails. So I just wanted to add a little sparkle but not cover up this design. So I just took a little bit of top coat and put it at the top of each nail, added that glitter, and then I gave it another top coat, and then I cured it again for another 60 seconds. So now I'm adding some bling to these things. And again, I had some matching gems. Sometimes I just can't help but being like real matchy. So I have these matching gems. So I'm just going to do some cuffs like sideways, you know, not full cuffs, but just half of each nail. And I do one on the left side, then the next finger on the right side, next finger on the left side, and next finger on the right side. Now, I did that because, I don't know, some of the tie-dye shapes, you know, I liked how they looked and I didn't want to cover it up. And I figured, you know, it was cool because tie-dye is all wonky looking anyway, all by itself. So I figured it would be fine. After I get all these situated, then I do give it another top coat, and then I just clean it off real quick just to make sure there's no, you know, glitter anywhere where it's not supposed to be. And then the nails are done. So here is the final look of these French tip tie-dye nails. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please subscribe, please like it, and I hope you guys all have a good day or night, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.